Sot Mogirango na aboiko rikitikrosi obosinta usi niwa akoro kwa mheshimiwa James Omingo Magara. Mheshimiwa, karibu sana studio imambia kabiga.
Biyama mwati yatokwe bangelinga party ya People Democratic Party.
Umarai o PDP.
PDP. Itangani biyama mwanya getinge semua bata na rasabari mawatagarada. Kuchungoji tuchagusi karibu sana tujadiliane tokonya ne birangaryo ikiagara oyo bwato mwabo butobukutaka nenda usukatanga kabo gaburu toburu mwinuri obarag ukunura otebere negaga mona sege samura mujamu tobeka mangana yara twara nabantu baitu todanga ki chimbinu chito ndubumbo na kiboko kobwa mono amaganda ite sama yagusi akuruno bwache nomo tadiga yutwata abana bawajo korera abana chongeri kuna mwara aliasa matanga kuintuira kwanira baadaye.
Ndio maana karibu sana studio mambeyega aise to kwanira mangana aitojo omusi litangani maige ntongo bona kimbiyore kyagira abantu abange bakoranga abana siasa bono buno tairi ase ekirogo ase bono iga ngwabolete ekirogo togetikonyora ngwari ngo mubunge ngwabolete boseneta tonyore tinda abantu babo na kyomingo bono mbiyore kyagira abange bakoranga onye siasa nere goterere tibono buno tali siasa ngai bona ki ekirore ime ya siasa na isko ya siasa mbiyore
abana mbulinga litangani ekegara bagusi ntwanchaine didia kuru 2013 abagusi wetani 1100 banyange tubusa kutuka linkini mbwate banyange tubusa gasanga bwanchani yasa na nkongeta manyi ngana positive manganje nabantu baminto so 2013 bahanga chigura well but we were at the judge we got much when we get care abana banyosa nokoboko 2017 na bakanga chukura wetali 122 echo mwario acho kinaojenga na atambukire na achire 1135 1100 orojora bora buri abantu 1135 oroje nabana bake
obwanchani obono
so that tingo ara umunga banyangeti nelinga things brava ka iposiku naraka kwa kurisia se tukuna kubuli amangana obombo chukira mbulchi bwakonya iwara abantu konyora amara chakira kubochoka ubuguliti misibo yabande iji akuchukura cyarere banda bakanyosi doko bako bakaeta onora kumana osore ngerari obonyara kokore onyaru ukamuka muna noroko bono igendo ngelinga longo jenalema na tamya sayambu yemono iposiku nagandira okora asigo nyara okoyo my part na akonya even today ngusi yanto na bamita babwata mchanga moto mbalimbali na wasamane weta yagarara meti usani boliwa na makalero bono iga kora de biasa bya consultants bikaiga alisini chumore mo ndarenga na okambebere beka na sokera hinde nana nyoranga nimboto mbarembe nyumba ko boto mbarembe nyumba yete no bwanjeni asenkoro yao urandi watanga tokubeka siasa senkoro yeka sama ya koro ya de ko ya ngafu kwabuka kwa gari tukulinde mambi ojinda kwa gari tukulinde mambi so apuna ndega nashukuru Mungu amenipa afya njema na amenipa marafiki kama nyinyi na watu wangu wananipenda naamini kwamba raundi hii tutakamilisha msafara.
So tararo ise point hiyo ebina gwatebirenga abana sesa mbali batanyorete ebirogo ba campaign ete cyaba kikagenda nayanda mange ngwakwaniranga mbali babwato bose bari bita nabo igombali boniga bare sebirogo bari no bwoba erindo montako takoko yani ako na kongengeli kakengaki etimanye tigo zabantu bachikonjora nainde bono gari no bwoba gete no kongengeli gete tasibogeti nonye naso okomenyo bwo mabwaje SDK moiga nda ko tebiru advice uchiya sebali tokurukanga former MCS former MPS ex-MCA mbali no borona nekero baguchasemberega namatanga nabakoranga umuntu yo nari no gutana gwanjirana nga omo MCA obono talinje no monga hose omubungo obono talinje narenge former no nekero bakaguri bagagotenena konyana umuntu yani gari bita advice kyo ari guchase bali bakabeire
igatongo taba ubwa advice ngurungaringa ki kana ibi yabeire you accept and move on uitabera nanga yabeire kwesi bure ko basemesigo yubororo kyagara yokonyara abandi muna bari pare ime umuntu akona kongoro ore ime tiba ko mutigamye ko cyumunare yaketintira abantu mumorora bwe expose muna maira ko murundo ayako mugwati ko mayaga muto jatanga ki asengana ida chikure jiga lidia kana ko muto ko that's why I did not perform tigaminyoke erezi yayo ikero umuntu okoswachi kurechi kwa mwamnyoka neti either onye kwarenge mwasokire either ago campaign ndio babu ya kabisa pi usago itosire depending on what you perform abange maida tanga tusina muka mburu tramorora ubasa nero umuntu ego babe konda gabo kanili chambasi babe that's why you find abanda umuntu okonyoro sokire and mabi koirana obe kobo rubono nyasata kwa murembe yitakiro lembereri none kero bwato bororo none binanga bamdiko kwa think rational was kwa ngere binanga bikamogete usibike nogete so advice lelinga ki kwa ukia bena kia bere nyinya ya bere toire tie tako bobera ke mesigo yumi agitano ne mengo nyaro no bobere bo wita enkore basi wateka mayanda bombaraba choke do alsa sikonyale
let
go and move on kwa nga iposiku.
Okay. Gucha somo Kenya no mugusi abantu mbali tuwari woteba igamna bakichikura 2013 tugatebanga nkororari umwana siasa tuwabege torumura yoito ekero twakoro bochori 2013 obwango mono nainde tugateba omuntu ebono ntumutageti nande tukamwanga tugateba 2017 nainde 2017 yegata nainde tugachora nainde tugateba obwango mono nainde yotariko borro 2022 tugachora so bwango mono boniga tugotera one term asaba Kenya bange uchiase omokenya asebono kiagira abantu abange nkoranga mbaisane getekero no botukibogo kurugana net company au niko bokorginga mokenya taisane gete na abarai bari abegete no momo oisane gete no mobunge omo MC gosomo seneta no bo president boniga engana ya uchiase omokenya naki ababona so bwango bachorete 2023 ukabata ko obe umuntu utari gotokorera igotokanyeta akore myaka ya 5 agende ekerangeli ekenga agore bwanga agende neki yao kunya gucenca cencio burai gose angana kitogokora
litanga lidi tigante bega umuchanda sogo choba nelinga ntodi gotora abantu singenchu kero kenbo bwata madili gosabwata maroro gose chinkona chingiye gose kerenge kyasucha so muntu abande yotogocha asokuja kuirigeria agukiri kinde cheito kwaragara kwa niaba ya wale ambao bago chorete chikura. Number 1, tuwe tuligeria baraibo ito ba minto ngaki umuntu so akuruge kera umwene yagalidio minto tana konyorone biasara okora tabu ati mushahara umuntu nichibese ko kumingaki ebese chibese chabo tubu amashona ebeseria umuntu ayibeto gosichikare dosichemanye ngakare tubeke mesa muntu tuwalia tokotabanga ki orangire elfwe mo sechi misano gose up to 50 mirongo 5 umuntu akekura umenya uriyo irana mayo tanga kimbora ntu akora ntu akora kana ngana nchiko nibe chinde usendi ichia no cha CDF na ndichenga yanchicho kubakora ndio sababu abantu baite batayo ndege kyagara ndiko swaime motivation go sekerenga go sobo ogendo go sobo chuborai kali okorera abantu no kwero isibia ebyao gosebikwato megeta so kugura na ndo irana mayo birozi ido cyo kugura abantu badai tuba chinche birangare bitonga ki and I think ninyagere ndanga abana abagenzi mbapa so chinchi paradigm ya mangana itagusinda Kenya ikiagara mbaro ochenga uburai bunabona approval rate ya burai kwa Kenya I think is the lowest crop ya burai tu ajoreta nana kwa president wangire bunojo itorero and you know I remember Fred Matiang'i na tabetanga ki mutare ndeti buya boto mura makembi kuchibunge up to 40% abati kada ko liduminto abantu bari kutumanyitia sababu lakini abagera chichi V8 isano nyumba really you tell me biashara kiora akora onga abantu $1 billion shillings you know it means you should be making about billions nature Safaricom omago to achieve so spare from profits which go kugura abantu $1 billion shillings nada bati abantu ngaki abako ba 200 when I was campaigning that I'm into yoko 200 over ikarase mali baiguru 200 and I think it would humanize what under bill of rights kitu kuchukua mangana katiba upate right yao na hayo ndo bali mmoja bana umuntu ikarase kwa 100 ose 200 iraindi libo ugurobra kulinga tosere lido mido kabatenga oyo igo 200 umwikarase tekarako ba 200 owa so ikirogo mmoja kwa onye moko bane bahati mucho gutaranenda bune ngiti mako mwikira mukwagura mukura asune ngenda ise mako ikasako chiko bere kya onye baikaransi somebody by memoramwa swaime enda mago sokara mo chiko moroji mukunyara kumwike
na bobo chai oli bayo bobo chai bwa barai
amadara unarai paka bata matanga ba flash beza muntu ria ogora abantu ucho kuleta ubabi katika mangana ya matanga ngote bana apara itobo chora ni agani mabwata story kile kile mabwata ndo bokoreri. Let me ask you Lily, from 2010 for example South Mukurango, I must say this improvement church manager that do ebintu no mwaka mweli akorete ukuronga na tabaka mission scheme tabaka secondary school, you can feel it. Rada iso dikatu wangoiga nkurere yana kora ngende bantu babuba mondelinda iko nande nande bagoika nande bese ko ba flash ngota bade ngota bade ngagie bese nede muchakana mu bebionse onyentu wancha torengarelie go etanie bese lyokugurwa kendo kupagera bese lyakira wiki for how many weeks? 52 times 5 tuige jiji obagara bese lya no nyene ito muta kwa ichenjiria pade itokobwata twari komenya tugrabugo tochora para ipa bwata marili umuntu bwata maono goso bwata liya dali umuntu tali utumeka abantu mnege kolo. That's a problem. Tuwatumeka abantu balia umuntu yekitamba kuta omayitanga no boybibi. And you see Lydia, there is no way umuntu akobugira ngoma hata tabenya chengali ne bazi usuri nyore uchile kuna bunge Nairobi nyakita kanisa tilikati ya between my marriage kubatiso umuntu mutakatifu. No baby and no baby. Ayoro mwidriali. A leopard does not change its skin. Anyo gomaitanga eke mone ke ma zebra ke bata marshina nijira. No nete go chinja, that's a leopard.
Ba tanto kwa ke bunderangi.
Thank you. Take koraba. Na nete go chinjikieni. So that's a problem.
Kwa bero mo tigabona ntenga goitira semyaka no tukorokanga no mogako mu gusiore na ndino manyete amadilio mu gusi gukondera samangana igaye tibesa na siasa abagusimba ru gusimba taneti basi mbai just house mbai guchibese na ndeke kyarengenga negentoke bekire maisomarore bagatibanga bari no nechiri bukomekome na bakwanda bagore no nyene mbusuru nebintu binde binge aseboni gambari bakomocha engane yega na gotebanga buna bono tugukwana abayiboli bagotebanga chisukuru to konye moseri abana chisfisi to kore kitorigi capitation ne bwato mochando gwikira chisukuru buna tugukwana gamangana sha noroche bintu bigenderete bagoteba abantu bango kubari kinyagitari buna tugukwana ga besenchiyo emechando ne menge bwateta bakenya elindo muntu bolinga onye gwachire ase oborai wensi bwa state house kwa tuchiri buchawo ikome echo abantu bagotebanga tunechibese chito chibese chito aye kwe yani kwe keiri whatever ntina bongisa nichiri bukome kwa iro chine chibese to koli bobe mboyo ase umugusi umungaini advice kuba to just umugusinga kitibesa nko gutoro bine twate banga ogoseru nkoro myambire nchiro libweye monero paka chiri bukome nchiro na batoko boli utwale ntwetwa state house twali omochere to guchiri bichito ikome and twenda mbobe kiboro asumuntu motaka umwako mugimo manyete nga chiribwe chikomiti ngo chinyora ande na abogoli gubosa tinda kani kukende na iriru etwa Nairobi nje no mugakoneta na kongira Nairobi lakini bona na rentru baka state house kikirege ntekija asomo omongino mugusibu na nje bonda tena kimongina bwechiro na abogoli go na rentru Nairobi na ikire state house na irane chiribwe cyane komi mbobe kiboro
ekire giro kugende kunga oboliri bomba chitoro because Lydia abantu bacha kurugusi na niyo tabane ngo chapale. You can imagine yani abantu bakorera byasara ubunyamara kakorera para Lydia abantu bacha kurugusi bali bachorera bachumba bata influence bacha kamata na acho makra ikora wasacha ku influence abantu mata abantu chukugusi. I think we have about 1 million, more than 1 million people population ya usiyoka abantu bacha 5,000 Lydia apana barenga buna whatever but by the university bata bwade chibesi chikubayere university echibako ewa inchirika ngachiri at the center chikoba gro montanyore either esukuru asikiro mutago access para asikiro mutago tara bwana kukwata kwa 5,000 moinaria no whatever mbale bakare nyilitari bakunya wakana chikadi ina ngwa ligiru gocho kumechango bekire from matanga cancer patients, the school fees, you book a band on your and about a bank was you we call collect pre-wedding. You can go to Everabo. Or quite with the son. On your William Samuel Ruto, Nanta Conya or Correge, and I'm challenging him. Onawacha kusabanga next time mekera bantu bakuru kusina mtajigiri aba kusimu sije kunya balenge ba state osikyara nyesha yebusi yarenge teli yama 15. I think also big
indiscrimination and
Bill of Rights again. But ngakati ngo chota banga negative. Ngano what equal chances to access services. What happened to ba chile kwa ba 10,000. But kwa kamba ngakibako. And that's what we're saying. The majority of people are doing the thing. You see, Bonoiga, Lydia, she, whatever it is, Abando Monto, the July in the Jokumia, no, you're chairman, yeah, Sha, Urenge, or Jackie day, about express. Are you seeing, no, see, I gave a glass of almost much as a chairman too? And let me tell you, so now I'm going to a chief commit in the Lahana to because you see, it was Jamango Korea. And you already have cancer, the requirement of the miss oxygen in the hospital, Menikata Hospital. Well, one of the go to go and medicine taking your over to access education. This, what a capitation went for Pantonyora, and I actually it right. University education, Umanaba, I'm going to go apply, say, Porto area, back question gave me a billion, I still that time, about some medicine, for example. Umano you. No any single for here. What do they do? By the Namaka. But if I want to medicine, Barura say Q. Diego the Giava. But if I got the Muki ready to go chance about whatever, but about a good apply when you have access to medicine that keep it qualified. You go on your arrow, misdiagnosis, Montako Baromwana, or some way or to the Wembe, Nichibamba movie. That is how corruption. Na wastage yega ego tukuna paka kilomita sarai oyo chete 5 tama yitinga kirogendo mucho koro waje somewhere usiru access fees gome kweli ke dia selfish ninga kwa 5 kachi acharende ide ngakaba usiwo zanga banyo 10 onya pa 10 chacha kero so musi but you see again nisiko chiko chenje bubu musiwe abange na bari zikari ninde Igega go to looking up over Abarai to water, the extremely incompetent, Nade Kunarkan. Yasatri book, Akonya, and to buy Kegger at this rate, Ntokomenya.
Ikiagera bonika ntubatabarai koroche nsemachitu chausi nenda bande abato chorete eba gotebanga bubemboyo abo kocha kuri gitibese tine chaito nende batebanga negure nkwane yogotumeka mono engombe egero bonero tugukama mabere ana mabere tugukama engombe bwata mabere boniga mbale bale asense moyo ogosuma asense moyo obumubumu wetera Fred Matiangi omugusi oboriri ntoraro rekia Matiangi ekekia Ruto na kitoroche asebono ababono bale serikali nabo babwate bintu biri bakorwa eye bono nendagira no eremesaga eye yaino onyege kali choko nintorayerora mbobe kiboro asomugusi kobego tware kerengere kieke nabara ibeto gosomyo mugusi ngaki eye bono nere ngombe togo kama bona mabere nara yinyamegere mesa nero tokori karatigana nejwe kariro sana
Lydia. Fundamentally, yani kerenge kanengeri ngaki emurai ekrore umuntu akire kura toligo ja status ko wichipasa kurwaro kana boli ne kibaki abantu pare current status at universal free education ababa bayiri baruchiba ya Africa habitation na tibakora empowerment kibaki onyendi yarengo gwanta bantu bugabura ibukana very effective igare activity yakoremeramo ebango y'abakenya yakoremeramo egukira mu Kenya ekiga bono abaho kibesurura kuliko babegera abana babo bari close to them usaba sani bainde mono majority y'abakenya bakore and that's why approval rating yes serikali yebonero is almost zero. I can tell you for a fact even unfair elections there's no way about that is going to from your money. I mean, think of Asibagurush, Ekagara, or by no Bunga, Abanto Baito, they have suffered in the hands of the regime. Come on, this is Ruto Gaborete, a couple of Kenya. I'm a very Nabamake, I went to spread name Bura, it attacked Muchi. That's leadership. Taringa, Una Chedi Dana, and you see, apparently, our mother Bakuri Bakabanya Yangom. I could sing on Beria Garcia. Mabera abuchekero mudali ba nyenye ngwa ba kanse ba se kuri ne tu ba yutu se mapere, and that's why no nye porwe ba makabeza ale yuru eko mbopo atina bakatorora kake oka mabere chenge mabere abuche obagira abana bawo. That's a good parent. Aba gabakwanda likobe sroda libago agulishi ngombe yiga eche biare ndande mo nyore mabere sinde ndande nyore moriende amabere agenda kuno kubucha oso abweri oite ngombe base kuri ngagbantu kurusinya mentu kuri eburobu braibono otabu ati futuristic thinking was a multiply effect for the benefit of Kenya. And that's why babili wetenga ebe sande raba oburai. Let me tell you, ebe se yebuna bono ekerogo isumura kururi kari oteko go multiply ko nyamata bange. That's how kirumu abange bakurera nabari nabayi bona baru wetenga umata nabo atanga ntwachide abana baratabanga baotanga no wisiri adenga ohiare tenjera usabane bono mutu wigere abakaya to kotabanga ki maka bari with the state house bari baru eto muganda so mura batanga ki surura turage dozi gane jimaju gojini changu echitu. And I think that's how we want to start breeding anarchy. Kwa abana basindi bono abana bakano umoja I saw abana juvenile basuri crime. Why? Babu ati no one school aswagocha they can't pay fees. Nana abana bangaini ibagora they must survive. No ene ka to kuno kugitra abantu no kugitra chimba chetu nkora ndi mandama saba aba guys tenga paka state house. Why would you want to do that? When you go to kugitra kwa sabantu bawo umuntu mbemna nyerere you actually walk down and talk to your people.
Okay.
That's because umuntu mokabara omoibi omogaso dobedi la chiba chiko konye at one point what we get na video ono weta was ni weta pa.
Okay, omotegere ntore ya masemo gutira sentra ye Facebook live nabo ogotonyara ngotore no mweshimiwa Omingo Magara kero to ko ligede asti comment cheto tutararwase point yo bali bagote baiga bagote banga igogokwana buya ekero risiko barayi bagokwana buya ekero muri risiko bono ekisenye tutari ese serikali maybe nyendi rikwaringe imeya serikali na ina bogwari gotagote banga engo mbenero to kama elinde ote baiga. I am sure if Omingo Magara receives a call from State House Kenya he will stop the debate awate otokuboliga kero kwaringa sobora ngwa chete State House ngwa yetu kende ngwa rangere tuna abantu bagotia se nyumba yo ya State House ayo monye.
I don't know correct to ingaki njo manyane na wate very big position I say UDA na bora I'm correct to wrong getting a key we are different. They say I think I don't have a price. How I work. Bono iga. Kwa mgwebu jana Ruto, yenga muna bono kwa konyora liprosi, to konyara wisi biora. So, mingo chokoro kone karango chukuri ni ankerusi mekanda wakorara. And it doesn't matter. Akatu adango borai. For example, 2002. That's when Mugusi Abata in Akira. Most of the development came that time. To Akajira, Mugusi. Lydia, I used to get letters from Tree about one of the radio Abana Bariku, like Nakaro, Yomekono, Arinya Marambe, I'm into Mutako Muchuchu. Kwanda wabringa kumutara wante mukora equalization asumuchu no onye mutada okoni muchuyu intakare and for sure era intakare lero baba Lydia obonyamara amaruba tisi akona utira na 50,000. That's not me. I would add the passage go on Baruba you. I never sold one letter. So we're all different. Okay. And I can say, Omingo Magara, try me. Ruto against you no anybody number. I'm going to run when I excellency I'm actually debating matters concerning this nation, and I will not go.
Okay. No wakwane 2002 ekero musi agete kurabyana rinse ya Nyachai mukagenda bange mukagenda for the people musi agatwara chinguru nase engaki musi na rira sana nagote banga ngaitokorusi ya Nyachai moment ngaitokorusi muntu gotoretamo unengakiri nengaki yaringe yani history musi boniga musi omonge tende benga musi omonge o tebrenga entrochinga aid niregaiga ekoro Fred Matiangi aje kwarenge ngakiri na ndembia boniga orobono kero kurigeria asinga kiria ino ya 2002 na 40 people na mugakanya chai na kurigeria boniga asumo gusie obono yubono totebenga riri bintu buna social media mbiarengo siasa riri nti arenge buna tiretia matukaye chikoranga chikogenda bwango mono ngakiurare ngani ngabono mugusinaro no bore mu ase Fred Matenge buna tware to bore mutinga kire sinya chai
tutangani tutabega tutumikire bana abantu bana siasa political parties kuisigo Raila Amolo Odinga supported him heavily from 2007 5-7 to support the Hudra Jubilee, to support the Ruto to achieve Ponodrenga ki we nenti to kwenda kueligerio bonga ni ke atokananga tuikatu nentu bekamo natubabake oboko tubite bututanga no chibusio the entire moment ya to konya na mbusi everyday being mbia better functional or to agashira bachimbe kianda only 9 era bade 17 lakini impact is zero because club ntaga no na abige to kurasa ruto ndaka bigoro kurasa ira ndaka bigoro kurasa nyarebe ono to ngomnachi abana batabwati parent was a shelter ngogeta bwa bichu bitabwati nyina so to ngakeria to kana basaba tisa watanga baere de baganda bagusia bacho tosumbua yachana yachae things happened bono mtwana kwa moment bune hiyo ibondo chinga edi arabire gusi omusiki fredo ko ngumatiyangi na kwate riosa asibusi and Kenya large ona wata usabaiga na matanga chombe chiro tukuchukama chombe kile mabera ali abata master simpabera ya aitani akongire tati mabera okolibono ngombe ya bode ko fredo ko ngumatiyangi afu ategendegega abakanya banje no kumusira bari we have a nyachaya moment now and afraid of killing Matiang. By the way, now I've been just for a long time. Timber that benefit Matiang what? But is God's favor really. You can't sing a Matiang except a better minister. In Kero I superior to see the police who have been here for too long and also my brothers here also and everybody else who has been there before. Oyo, yes, God's favor. Really. And sometimes a moment when you go to once. Ngosawa usipa mitonga ki na musimishia mno bana simbozi kusimishia alia tinechi muuma tiba saboko liguru ale chamanyinga na tali nganga ntura nyeri chamati akero huru ale ngana mati some things were functional today lero tali ngana nechi ako bachoko poko amagenda rawo tekero muntu na akero mwajisa to smoro chibezo tali araba magenda magenda ko nyaba Kenya bonse akero ba renge service ministry na Uhuru Kenyatta they are rolling back against free education ya kama mtu wakana capitation ya chini za 26 to 16 na 16 strike bono igo kuburiga igo takati kwa paka ruchi pesa kuzo bana pale zika para matara ngoburiga otebe no ngoto bakiri nyumba Lydia our children mbalaga na school bachiko nyorase meremo abanyore chipesa kuri nyumba echo ngokora nyumba echiga ikintiki tutana ko budo Ruto ya by the way Lydia not affordable housing we are creating jobs kana ngobore baba akero kuri ko mutembere mo gezo kuna tifa chofa go to pension yata go to mutuka go tire onyora pension you tell me emiaka yetano rudabwa nyombe chiga na ku create jobs. If you create a job, unemployment means when you retire and you're old enough you have a social protection cover. Does it have a social cover? It doesn't. So what you are doing, no konguseme emeki no bwansubo no chingu chaba sayabaito. You weaken them, that's what we are saying. We are being taken for a ride. And we must stop as a nation.
Ronald Nyorongote Vario Mheshimiwa, you are right to condemn those who went to State House, but on the weekend, we saw you addressing the media, accompanied with some people who went to State House. Wana kuburinga is it double speak nga aye no nyerende go condemn tare ya State House abantu mbali bara basani bawo osabana sesa bamino abu mwarore kanete nabura kine na inde barengese State House.
Aba Naringi prefect manene ngore the State House. By the way, I was not even interested in watching ngorengo kera uno buchuni bwarenga ali baba. Tinchi kumanya ngorengo. Ideally I met and I was about the get don't to me now. Basically, oh, you the State House. That was may have been right. I didn't go to Manaki. The tag and the State House not yesterday. I don't know. In fact, about the Bago and about the Barengo and the branch again the bono. Simba to go by there. Bakwira bantu una bichuko ndege chinjio bako nyaba omondo bomugusi at the altar almost waiting in also moving. So I want that I don't even know them. Then I don't in Garia. Our begin Tabaco body getting a key in that quality. Now, what I know the guy waiting again, the Ganda Tagaramana, on your own took your two without your I didn't know who went, and then I think I know you. And actually, I ended up what tagging a key, status visitor, now to Mutamasan.
Okay, Evan Singote Baringa Abandimbare, Nabora Nanga no Yomobo, as very mogo to me abono editaria Matiani for political survival, Kera Tebanga, Okore Kananga Bagusiba, Dimbari, Bari Simating Sibona Vanessa, hopeful, see, Patagetabono to make Kera Truchiba, Mayomusio, Monge no more Kenya one.
Let me tell you, you have been my own man. But they'll tell me last time night, so you didn't campaign for me. If I'm looking for votes, I talk to my people directly. Now the young time was very independent. No taco transform to in your rocket to Mokanya. And that was extremely independent. By the way, Navajo and I don't want to influence you when you're the wrong candidate about what I believe in the decision making Musi, decision making Musi, about very extremely independent, but they're also very objective. Baroding nera I got your way, you grow your room in area, like you were at the time of the horror. That's okay. Oh, whatever you go and go to hang on the jacket, Matani, but I want another hang it yet on your Tokumu, we can go area. You are Matorongara took in there on your what Bacavagan. If you didn't go to
November, Nego, on your boat go to military mondo, I can November.
They say, oh, I ain't you go chat to me a name, Haribono. Into the Rango Tangana, Kuratan and the was say what I do a trip to go on Bonobini. So I correga in Chama took where Mahamo at this moment it would come for a long time. I'm pursuing come on the way. I never know what to go to Sana Coramanda Bata. That was the state of Sibesa. I don't go to correspond between Mataran and Machabanga, Mogusi, Mogusi, Boytanti, Unity, and a Matian full stop.
Okay, since I don't come your potato that I don't and the Chitawanga, it's a catibe, you or vegetables well, near it was which has a Kiromo Kenya, which has a Kiromosi, and then about Agotorangaki, and Chinomosi, like in Nabonco, which has a Ruto, and Chinomosi, Nabonco. Kwanochiase Matiangi was Maraga was on the Wednesday. Etorabana siasa bakomochia sana. Kuna bano watenaki okugenda wa state house okuli ekinegen tekemo. Kuli naenda bakusimbali bakomochia omo moske Maraga no yomo sokiro kukwandira siasa nendo tebire nkubulero bu president. Lakini abantu mbali bakomochia bamotebere bono gago sariri Matiangi tawene tukubori. Entwaro chemo shima bosiro gotebanga orentira abantu amo babwatande chisemo chiri cyakericho. Abandi bakubarutamage nabakubatebiyaya abandi mbali bakabatumira marieta tebanga onde bwensi utali ese Matiangi omugusi oyubono nigo ago betray egesaku lakini ndende ntomaitenga nobosi buli bwakiro omugusi na kiro mo Kenya gochora sakobera inkon kitoko mocheri omonto jorire naki Matiangi no yoto no mugusi ali kolende sebona teni konde seruto ubuno bosi buli bwawe katiba inkitoko ba mocheri abayiga osoko barabuna babisa no buno bosi buli bwabo kikatiba.
I think ntuwe tukobwa nga nyarebe naro kyagara. Let me tell you, Lydia. Anone sabari okugenda ose kero kugenda segi otaboti position tiri kwase kero kwa kuire. We're saying kero mutikache Maria inde I will promote whatever. I don't think I go approve the kwa Maria bantu onye agenda ya bere burungi. Musimwana ngotanga nchango temande yende openly. Kami yake imitizo muguzenda n'mugusiyare takiri abantu ureta inona yana boga asokora stega pamito nokotaka gotogo ngake ngayikiro chikuchi ayo kora chakwengeire takomere lyaro tikakira umuntu aminyoke but abantu would determine ne sembere kuchya na beko gusakira umuntu ayigwe naye nyogotagete kujikora ntundi tagoitera kwebeka liyuri buri kore ikinyangi beke yana hata na kina inche na chile muina inta yatako kuliyo president na inche ukuricho kuse ni bwat na inche muntu ngocha koleta oye tubu atia bata tubabere bagusi yutuka kiki kustote ba induka ki ukarimpio kwanza nyumbani ye tubu ati Maraga tubu ati Matiangi nguvu ate kusayo takete kulia so ta ntuko chako yidu to kubisubura ngati ngaki ngero gende ngani gombwate Kenya yoko baba kusiba chiko negotiate with who omuntu bata avabo uli bikiro kandi haya sita bati ku negotiate nebosiali bono totebi uku negotiate na kericho tumanye Taku tupeke ngozi ye ngoli kule nyama.
Mpera turuko kwa nenga
ya. Lakini freedom wero. Lakini mutakora hai kwa minyoke lakini dichimu ndinga omolindo olokanta sore. Nanto ndoko ngara bikano bindi nayo. Matiangi chingurunchiro talinga senga njogo mo support. By the way, we've been shared with Maraga not once or twice. Lakini ero kuri nga mindo to be fair to be kebita siraji. Numwako ina ida ki muko na kumuramba but you see again abana magato dega ti duma ngete mo manana mo murumino ega leje mutume gamukubune bulimu ega le mutungu se wanyora sijadi ya monyori yoko bakatanga nayo so I'm persuading all of us abana baitu ba minto ba the social media and all like Marakarani is raised because what I change tanga ke diamba tasimateng for example usima denga jinji amba tasimaranga depending on the revenue
epotinere yunga ntira nkubutura sine potinere nakubona ki intuna abana aba mu buno musi mo girango nabatete nti mo girango tikambere gotia no mu gituto gateba tikambere gotia nonye nesegeso ngongo tebatori we agree to disagree
correct
na botogo tebani naki buna bona ababaya ba mintu bari serikali ya Kenya kwanza bato banje UD ende mheshimiwa Soro mheshimiwa Jafet mbya mheshimiwa Kibagende mheshimiwa Barongo barabato banaki ya ntuturese matanga na numurese Ruto bube mboyo lakini bono korekana mu musi obekiri obwoba socially obwoba ebuli bwoko betereri ngaonye muri go support matiangi roli nubono nababisa baito nakinate to beke biyanga intubuno bwanchane no mubusi twarorekana to kugikeri go sotaite ko bekero rekana nga no bubisabore asabantu batari go support bari totagete
tubone tukababo that's no primitivity ngare twaka tumigire chinyundo to engage birengera rutamawazo. I am persuading all of us na naka nayo to ko please your boss tako trend ubabe wako hata kwa matanga niende kupaya pesa zaidi kwa mume mwagwachia ukutupane matanga ya banyene tusikane tuanjane tuengage intellectually bera muinaria ego kuengera tuturaum bere metelide there is no way murai mwesi murai 100% no mu nyomba igoto go mwaga dago joto ko liso kana magana kana bweka mujitu cyo kwamba kabia but what I'm saying is ekaro mutuleiga ekaro muntamya ya resi ya gocha gocha tumana na busiaria nekaro bia sinyire bwatu kana eta ko ta kumiraro what we are saying bera sumundu ndimweso tatuka bera lakini mmoyo ka akyo goita bana baitu o defa bill of rights are correct ani agotenga because you na magora maega mwana ko mwakira chingo obesa kirumba besa ko subuko osuru na Kenya chibese kurumba buko I mean it's immoral real so noneka kubwati umuntu lakini abwati umuntu bwata mbarido morals kwa beke karaga ki ikikira kinki aba moya ko reflect ki binadamu but in terms of you burai boitu nichi kwa chitu tukwane ati independent gatoje ko interest ko converge na nego to ababuire kira ko kubotura abande abatoko bakomodeti kana bana bamindu but that's not ndo itaramanyinga ndo soranyi buchingo boto kwa to de amatango motango cyane ne buru akiri gutiana bombo nyene amatanga muno mongina kwa romo ngina tongi abangira abaduru kasika babo atirire sanduku munga tatu nyansi gitundu nano babe wasiaso koleta samatanga yaje no posoko bari bana baba amiri maraka na barabo mbo bakora matanga ali mungu nolia nyamatu kitro mutali kikirikiaye koko yakwa mukwanere bwari robire awunjo katokonye ifunge kura na bila to change care one vote is very critical to kwana na civil and mature njoma tari na kupa kemioro tumaide
ko ya siasa
ngwa kemioro mo na ndakina njana waka muntu ndaki yasango ya no emioro ngakira yubo oboliri boli bwazi ngaki nabona ngo ngware mbo wako mutu mwatu we can go there na tekino otabera kino
ngamanyinga ya siasa ntobane tikoitira tinga ketina ngan siasa tokorwane
obo ikare bolizi bulwa limit ono iga tubati kateba bwana ko tubanga boronge freedom of expression kiro muntu abwata utakota arebo sejanga sata so problem that's your right to do so tekiro muntu wakabakaye but of course naye komaite kali dominto your freedom ends where mine starts. If you walk onto mine, then that's where conflict starts. Ayenju mnyoke para ya yoka yika to close ile ndiana. Na ichi mnyoke yana ndio kwa kiatu kwa mtoto ndani ya mnyoka. So tuheshimiane hapo tunasema na tuache upuzi na utoto kuleta vitu kwa matanga.
Bia mwana ke gimatokera na studio to chikonyera mangana majegesa ase enterebe kirane chinsa isato tumanya ko irana 9